Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. We have a wonderful, wonderful medium V-neck women's tee. She has a beautiful pattern set out for this one.
Like that?
Yeah. Hey. Bunch of little spots. All over the place. Spots, spots, spots. Dalmatian this thing up.
Thought we were past the cold weather. Apparently we're not.
So that breeze coming in here. Whipping, baby. Whipping. I think we're almost out of it. You know, it's mid-March now, so we got to be on the home stretch. This first winter we've had in a while too, because last year we didn't get much of a winter.
Oh, my rubber band came out.
Tie them up tight. Get them all banded up good. Mini bands. It's gonna be like a geode style tee. Kaleidoscope, whatever you want to call it. Fractal. It's gonna be something cool. I don't know what to call it, but it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna call it bullseye because they're not gonna be bullseyes. It's gonna be like fractals. But yeah, cool stuff.
Okay.
Coming along. We're getting there, folks. So we're gonna have to invest in some tiny rubber bands, aren't we?
I guess so.
These intricate designs. Try to space them all out.
Yeah.
Figure out what you're gonna do. There's a lot of space there. So have to negotiate. Got birds chirping in the background, wonderful sounds of construction. All the greats. Oh, and of course, you know, the firing range going off down there too. Welcome to the country, baby.
Alright, just a few more.
Almost there, people. We're only 4 minutes into the bullseye. That's not too bad. Could have been worse. Could have been worse. You can always skip it, people. We're not gonna do that. We're just glad you clicked in the first place. About ready for the rack. Look at it. That's a beautiful specimen. To the dyeing rack.
Let's go.
Let's go. That thing's probably gonna be hard to. Oh no, it's lumped good. What are we kicking it off with?
Red.
Fire red. Got a couple fire reds.
And golden yellow.
Golden yellow.
And deep orange.
Deep orange. Ooh. Color.
Maybe some deep purple in there.
Deep purple.
And let's see.
Bluebird. Granny apple. Granny, got bluebird. What else we got? Granny apple. Need to make more of that hot pink and stuff, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Bluebird. This one would look real good with some hot pink. I don't think there's any up there.
What about
Light red.
what about more golden yellow?
Golden yellow.
And then what can I put in between? Maybe some of these other colors that we know will be light.
Yeah, what you got up there?
Orange sorbet, that'll come out light.
Orange sorbet.
And light red.
Light red. Shake that good. Wait, is that light red?
I want it to come out light.
Oh, it still will, trust me. You don't have to worry about that. Hit that one more time. See how like pink it is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna come out light, don't worry.
And what else? Maybe lavender?
Lavender. Ooh, pretty.
And I need a light blue and a light green.
A light blue and a light green.
Maybe glacier blue and oh yeah, we don't have another green.
Where that came in?
I'm out.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Polish the came. We don't have a turquoise or anything up there?
No.
Turquoise. Blue violet, purple.
Yeah. That's okay.
Yeah.
We'll do the blue violet around the greens.
Is that gonna be your last color?
I don't know. I still got some white space. Just thinking about maybe Miss Gray on the white spots.
Yeah. Is that gonna be all of them?
Yes.
Okay. So, all told, on this one we have deep orange, orange sorbet, glacier blue, blue violet, blue bird, deep purple, lavender, granny apple, fire red, light red, golden yellow, and mist gray. If that's not an assortment, I don't know what is. And some of these are meant to be lighter than others, people. We want a whole range on this one. We even want, you know, a little bit of grayish white on there. We want a little bit of everything. That's the whole point.
All right.
Ready for the rack?
I think so. What do you think?
I think so too. Let's go.
Oh wait.
Oh wait, you need a little pinch over here of some blue on this side. You can't see it, but
Yeah.
on the back side. Everything else looks great. Oh, and maybe this orange too. There you go. You got it. Hit a little bit right there too. There you go. You got it good. Perfect.
Okay. Now let's go.
To the drying rack. Woo. Top shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.